Let's now take a look at a few important compounds. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by water. There is more underground, untapped. Not all of it is accessible for our use. Let us not waste the treated water that does reach us. In general, the properties of a compound are very different from those of the elements that make it up. Let's look at sodium chloride, sodium, and chlorine. Sodium chloride is a colorless crystal. It dissolves in water. The solution has a salty taste, as everyone knows. The element sodium is a solid at room temperature and, since it is a metal, has a typical metallic luster. It is very reactive and explodes in a violent reaction on contact with water. The element chlorine is a greenish-yellow gas at room temperature. It has a suffocating odor and is dangerous to inhale. So you see, elements lose their original properties when combined in a compound. They take on a new set of properties entirely their own. We can hardly identify the elements in a compound by simply observing the properties of that compound. This task of finding out the kind and amount of substances in materials belongs to the analytical chemist. Analytical chemists perform quality control analysis and develop new techniques for doing these tests. They tell us when food, water, or pharmaceuticals are safe and good for our health, and warn us when these are contaminated and unsafe.